Hi, this is Miss Park. This video is for solving equations, word problems to do with mixtures. Okay, so let's read the question. Jelly beans and mints worth $2.10 per kilogram and $2.70 per kilogram respectively. So that means this is the jelly beans and this is the mints. Okay, were mixed to make 500 kilograms of mixture, which sold for $2.52 a kilogram. How many kilograms of mint were used? Okay, let's have a look at this. So you basically imagine you have two bags of candy. You got this one of jelly beans, and you got this one of mints. Okay, and this one costs $2.10 a kilogram, and this one costs $2.70 a kilogram, but you're going to take some from each. We don't know how much we're taking from each. And we're going to create a new bag that's going to have jelly beans and mint in it. Okay, that costs $2.52 per kilogram. We know that the final bag is going to weigh 500 kilograms. We know that. We don't know how much of each of the other bags are going to be taken to make the 500. But we do know that in the 500 kilograms, whatever you take from jelly bean bag and whatever you take from the mint bag, that total is going to be 500 kilograms. So if we could find a variable, so first of all, which variable should we use? Should we use a J or should we use an M? Well, look at the question and see how the question is ending. The question is ending with what they want us to find out. And you can see it says how many kilograms of mints were used. So let me make my variable M. So if I have M kilograms that I'm taking from the mint bag, how many kilograms will I take from the jelly beans bag? The total is 500. To put it this way, if I took 100 kilograms of mints, then I should take 400 kilograms of jelly beans. If I took 200 kilograms of mints, I should take 300 kilograms of jelly beans. If I take M kilograms of mints, how many kilograms of jelly beans will I take? Right? So it should be 500 minus M. Whatever the M is, 500 minus that is how much jelly beans we need. Okay, so let M represent not mints, not let M represent mints, it's let M represent the number of kilograms of mints. Okay, be very specific. It's the number of kilograms. It's not the color of the mints. It's not how many mints. It's the number of kilograms of mints. Okay, and so therefore 500 minus M is going to represent the number of kilograms of jelly beans. Okay, so now I've used the 500 kilograms. And the next thing I want to do is talk about the cost. Okay, the cost, I'll write it this way. The cost of mints plus the cost of the jelly beans is going to equal the total cost of the mixture. Okay, the mixture is this bag over here. This is the mixture. Okay, but now I know that the mixture weighs 500 kilogram, and I know that the mixture, let me change this color for a second. I know that the mixture weighs this much. Okay, and that the mixture costs this much, 252 a kilogram, and the other two, these are their costs. So I know the total cost of the mixture because the total cost of the mixture is 252 times 500. I know that. It's 252 per kilogram, and there's 500 kilograms in the mixture. So what are the cost of the other two things that make this up? Okay, so the cost of the mints, well, the mints cost 270 per kilogram, and I know that they're M kilograms, so the cost is 270 times M. And the cost of the jelly beans, well, I know it's 210 per kilogram, but how many kilograms of jelly beans do I have? Look at your let statement. It's 500 minus M. Okay, so that's going to give me my equation, which I solve for M. So let's do it. I know it's got decimals, but we can do it. Use a calculator. 2.10 times 500. 1050 minus 210M equals 252 times 500, 1260. Okay, and now I'm going to take 2.70M minus 2.10M, and I'm going to get 0.6M, and we'll subtract 1050 from both sides, and I get 0.6M equals, use calculator, 1260 minus 1050, 210. Divide both sides by 0.6. And we get 350. Let's go up a little. M equals 350. And since the question only asked about mint, it didn't ask about both, I don't need to answer about both. So I can just say therefore, go over here. Therefore, there were 350 kilograms of mints used. Okay, so there you go. So remember, as always, there's a let statement. Let's change color here for a second. Oh, a different color. Okay, so there's a let statement, there's an equation, and there's the therefore statement. Okay, your 3 parts. Okay, so keep practicing. These ones are sometimes not so easy, but with practice you'll get it. And thanks for watching.